welcome back to my channel and I'm really surprised by myself कि मैंने इतनी जल्दी एक और vlog भी शुरू कर लिया है because you know what, now I don't want to let go of this random surge of energy that I get throughout the month, couple of days in a month. Reason for starting a vlog today is that I have my followers over again, and the worst part is we've done these kind of things before also and I've never been able to like vlog it properly जैसे अन्य करता है. So I thought इस बारी अभी we were actually 3 girls. Anyway, I'm teaching them how to make चावल. ये लो cover कर दो उसको, थोड़ा सा साइड में छोड़ देना. We're 4 girls in total, but आज इनमें से एक लड़की निकल गई and my friend was also over day before yesterday, so these guys were feeling a little awkward, a little ox. तो जब से वो गया, these guys have just like come out of their little hole and like energy में आ गए. So yeah, that's fun. And इन लोग भी आज की बस booked थी, but it snowed and I convinced them to stay because मैं भी अभी अकेली हूँ and my bloody foot is injured, so you know. And आज हमारा खाना श्रुति मैडम बना रही है and मम्मी vlog देखेंगे. Yeah, and that's Mahima. And yeah, we're all a part of this amazing community called Prince Army. Prince Army. And ये भी term पता नहीं किसने coin किया था. I remember some random vlog I had uploaded on YouTube, तो उसपे किसने coin किया था Prince Army. I'm like भाई तो बहुत मस्त hashtag है, like extreme. But हाँ, अभी हम खाना बना रहे हैं and we've also poured ourselves a glass of wine and this is for you. Thank you very much. Let's do a cheers and yes, आज की महफिल शुरू करते हैं. And इस vlog में I'm thinking, okay wait, hold on, be right back. Cheers. Cheers. Nice. I love these wines, man. सबसे अच्छा मेरे को I think इनका rhododendron लगा था and plum was also very nice. This is the forest wines. I absolutely love these. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. Probably like the best wine I've ever had. और मेरे को like I am kind of a wine person, but I'm not really because मेरे को समझ नहीं आता मैं exactly पी क्या रही हूँ. Whatever tastes the best, I like that. So I'm a wine person, but no, I'm just a sharabi person, I think. Anyway. So the purpose of this vlog is going to be connecting with my followers and answering questions that you guys have always in your head when you watch my vlogs or you watch my reels or you watch my pictures on Instagram. And because I think ever since we've started doing these giveaways and we've made these WhatsApp groups and we've started talking to you guys more, it's very helpful to have this connection with your followers because then I think it gives you a purpose for doing what you're doing, and I think that's the best part about this job. Now I can call this a job, is that you see अपनी मेहनत का फल directly दिखता है, which is absolutely amazing, which you don't really get in a corporate job. ये मेरे को जो last मैंने birthday का giveaway किया था उन लोगों के साथ भी करना था, but that time I was just in a weird phase, going through a weird phase. But this time I'm motivated. So yes, yeah, I mean I guess you guys are. तो बढ़िया लग रहा है एकदम. My God, extreme. क्या आप समझाओगे क्या बनाया है आपने?
एग करी. कैसे बनाया है?
Okay, then.
This is the new style. बताइए कैसे बनाया है? YouTube कर लो.
Dumb it.
I don't know if it's a Maharashtrian style. कैसे बनाया है?
This is also a little Middle Eastern style because ऐसे शक्शुका भी बनता है. तो भाई ये तो अभी गया भी नहीं है YouTube पे, मतलब
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
तो यहाँ जैसे नॉर्मल सब्जी बना के अंडा तोड़ दिया उसके अंदर. बस. एनी अंडों से याद आया, तो मेरे यहाँ पे जो एक क्लीनर को मैं पार्ट टाइम जो बुलाती हूँ, माई मॉम वॉज हियर, सो ऑब्वियसली शी हैड टू आस्क हिम. सो माई मॉम इज लाइक रियली बिग ऑन organic stuff and fresh produce. No matter how expensive it is, she will want that for me and Choti, which is very cute, honestly speaking, because mama always has fed us the best kind of produce and jitna bhi available hota hai. So even the atta that she uses is from this brand called Navdanya that does all organic and fresh and everything, whatever it is. तो बचपन से हम सब्जियां वगैरह नवदान्या से हम खाते हैं. इंदौर गई थी लास्ट ईयर. दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट घी बैक फ्रॉम देयर, फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स फॉर हर. वहाँ पे फ्रेश दूध से घी बनता है and it's like unadulterated and everything. She absolutely loved it. So every time I go anywhere on the mountains, I have to pick up ghee for her and take it back home. And last time जब मैं और अन्य गए थे, हम 5 किलो मम्मी के लिए वापस लेके गए थे. So that's quite extreme. But anyway, वो cleaner आता है. My mom asked him to bring for me desi ande and ghee. This is much more expensive because I think the guy must also be taking a cut from it, which is also fine. तो देसी अंडे मंगाए हैं मम्मी ने मेरे लिए. 15 rupees for one अंडा. तो मेरे को भी खाने में उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इसको खाऊं या फिर मैं फ्रेम करूं दीवार पे. And वो घी is also like 800 rupees a kg. Like extreme. But my mom is so adamant about me having all these things, so I'm just like ठीक है.
Yes.
YOLO. So it had been snowing, okay, for a while. Yesterday it snowed, snowfall dekhi, bada maza aaya, and then all the snow melted. We went off to sleep, woke up in the morning, there was no snow. I was hoping to wake up to bilkul hi safed, like, you know, winter wonderland. Didn't happen, it's okay. But Bhagwan ne sun liya, I guess. It's been snowing since the morning. It's 4 o'clock and in fact काफ़ी intense snowfall हो गया है, and I feel so grateful. I used to dream of, you know, these days where I'm able to wake up and go out and play in the snow and be on the mountains. We woke up to a snowy Manali. It was so beautiful. So कल रात को लाइट चली गई थी because it was snowing the entire day yesterday. Today I woke up in the morning and just made a little breakfast, had some coffee and was sitting outside in the balcony the entire day जब तक धूप available थी, which is till 4 o'clock. नहीं तो फिर 4 बजे के बाद वो पहाड़ के पीछे चली जाती है. So I had time till 4 o'clock and let me tell you, I utilized that completely. I'm sitting in the sun and taking in all the possible sunlight and the गर्मी that I can till 4 o'clock because 4 बजे धूप पहाड़ के पीछे चली जाती है and अंधेरा होना start हो जाता है and there is no electricity in the house. I am also running on 15% battery. My laptop is also off. So today I am having local daru which is called Ara and ये लाहौल की local daru है and I love experimenting and trying out local alcohols and everything. अभी last time मैंने लुगड़ी पी थी which is very famous in Manali. मेरे को मतलब college time से everyone used to tell me oh लुगड़ी. It was very popular even then and मेरे को तब से try करनी थी but I never came to Manali when I was in college. Wow, how the tables have turned. But anyway, cheers to the one person who's drinking with me. We are going to continue this vlog and we are finally going to start the question answer session that I've been wanting to do with you guys. So let's go. Okay, question number 1. Go for it.
तो जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो आप पीरियड्स कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
Okay, good question and I get this question from a lot of girls actually. So the thing is कि I think all of us have been through a phase as girls where, you know, when we start getting our periods, we're just like, hi, this is the worst and we don't want to be women. What is this nonsense? Yeah. And I honestly, I still go through that. I'm still in that phase. पहले ऐसा होता था that I used to plan my holidays according to my periods, but then very soon I realized that obviously it's जितना मेरे को travel करना है, that's not really feasible. I get like a very bad set of cramps every month. So I carry my painkillers and my, you know, sanitary napkins or whatever I have to use everywhere I go. And I also know when I'm going to get my periods because obviously now I'm 27 years old. I know.
Exactly.
I have an app which is called Flow, so I know कि ठीक है मैं what day I'm supposed to get my period or what day during the month where I'm at in my, you know, menstrual cycle. So yeah, I don't really manage anything anymore. I just go with the flow and I know कि first day जब जिस दिन my menstrual cycle starts, I know I have to take my painkillers before the pain even starts and I just rest. I just take rest.
Can I ask the next question?
Yeah, please ask next question.
Why have you started liking slow travel?
So I think like now I'm into slow travel firstly because I have the time. जब मैं job के साथ actually travel करती थी तब I always used to feel very sad about leaving a certain place and I always used to feel कि oh shit यार ये भी रह गया, oh shit ये जगह भी रह गई, oh shit ये भी रह गया, ये रह गया, वो रह गया.
The way I'm feeling right now.
Yeah, so उस time मेरे को हमेशा ऐसे लगता था कि I wish I had more time in these places. As a traveler, I always wanted to go to a state or a city or, you know, a hill station or wherever I'm traveling to and stay there for a month, 2 months and then explore those places properly. and see what it's like to live in those places. I think that's how you get to explore the place like a local. I feel whatever trips I'm planning now, I'm planning कि at least मैं उस जगह 2 हफ्ते या 3 हफ्ते बिताऊंगी.
On those lines, तो आप जब भी कोई जगह पे जाते हो तो how do you know like what to shoot, where to shoot, do you plan anything, do you see कि कहाँ पे हमें shoot करना है, and how do you know the perspective, like how do you choose the perfect perspective?
So I think this all of this comes with a lot of practice and a lot of experience also. कि just like you know when you're doing a job, you learn on the job. So it's the same thing with this career path as well. Initially जब हमने travel करना start किया था, so even we still do that actually. कि हम online जाके I would go and browse Pinterest properly. I would go search on Instagram and search for hashtags and see the location tags से क्या photos लोगों ने ली हैं, क्या जगह लोग जाके travel करते हैं. You open Google Maps and just see the map and see what all places are there and what all things you can explore and stuff. And उसकी basis पे I think before you go on the trip, when you do all this research, I think you kind of train your brain to get into the creative mindset. I feel तो धीरे-धीरे तुम सीखते हो, धीरे-धीरे तुम्हें अपना perspective मिलता है. And whenever we go on any trip, we take all kinds of shots, and in fact, I would still say I'm still learning. There's so much to learn in this field and so much to explore with in terms of content and in terms of shooting and everything. ये दोनों ना बहुत ज़्यादा formal, बहुत ज़्यादा awkward है. These guys are not like this at all, let me tell you.
So the next question is कि how do you deal with hatred?
Oh, okay. So initially जब मेरे को hate आना start हुआ था, this was before my reels had started going viral. तो ये ना मेरे को हमेशा से when I was growing on social media also, मेरे को बहुत लोगों की बहुत क्रिएटर्स दैट आई स्टिल फॉलो, उनकी प्रोफाइल पे मैं व्हेनेवर आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू द कमेंट्स एंड मेरे को हमेशा हेट कमेंट्स दिखते थे. एंड व्हाट आई ऑलवेज नोटिस वाज दीज गाइज नेवर यूज्ड टू रिप्लाई टू दोज कमेंट्स. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग नाउ. मैं अभी भी बहुत लोगों से पंगे लेती हूँ यूट्यूब पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई भी हेट आता है, आई लव टू रिप्लाई बिकॉज आई
With love.
Yeah, with love and just I don't know, I love to mess around basically. मुझे पंगे लेने में मजा आता है. But thankfully now I've reached a stage where hate comments don't bother me. Because I think this is also something that you learn with time and you learn. ये तो चीज़ मैंने definitely देखी है. You just cannot please everyone. Just gotten used to the fact that I will get hate and not everyone will like me. There will be at least one person. Every reel in fact now has at least one hate comment. अगर वो viral जाती है तो of course.
Next question is दुबई से आप मतलब why did you move out of Dubai? मतलब I always thought that you loved Dubai. तो मतलब ऐसे
यार I feel like I think every city has its own like standard of living. So I studied in Shimla when I was in college, and मेरे को वहाँ की ever since I was there for 4 years, and मेरे को वहाँ की life बहुत अच्छी लगी थी when I was in the mountains and stuff. When I moved to Dubai, Dubai is an amazing city to live in because firstly it's very safe. There's no tax. You earn well. There's literally everything available there. Dubai really spoils you in terms of in terms of everything, in terms of help, in terms of groceries and everything. But there's everything available there. I don't know. There was just something about that city that I was not able to connect to. I lived there for 3.5-4 years, but मैं कभी connect नहीं कर पाई थी उस city के साथ because it was all too artificial. I was always happier when I'm around nature. तो जब मैं दिल्ली भी आती थी दुबई से, मेरे को ऐसा होता था वो बहुत पेड़ भी होते हैं क्योंकि दुबई में नहीं दिखते ना, like it's very everything is very artificial. And while there are people who appreciate this, appreciate living in a concrete jungle and a fast-paced life, I was never about that. तो बीच में, in fact, last year when I came to India, I was here for 3 months. जब मैं यहाँ से काम कर रही थी, I don't know, I was happier here, and I never liked Delhi also. मेरे को दिल्ली हमेशा से बहुत गंदा लगता था because I never had people I was able to relate to and everything. So it wasn't a difficult decision for me to leave Dubai.
असली पहाड़ी.
I was born in the wrong place for sure. So obviously before we planned this video, I told these guys कि I want you guys to ask me questions. जो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में as a follower तुम्हारे questions थे. These guys noted down the questions and stuff. So if they look a little prepared, it's because they are and they're very nervous in front of the camera. As I think everyone is for the first time. मेरे को अभी भी कैमरा देख के मेरे को वो हो जाता है कि oh shit,
मुझे तो समझ
क्या बोलूँ, oh shit.
मुझे भी नहीं समझ यहाँ देखो या यहाँ देखो.
I know I need to look at the lens instead of this screen.
She's an avid subscriber and follower.
Yes.
Yeah, because मैंने पहले बोला
I'm so nervous कि मैं इधर ही देखे जा रही हूँ. हद है.
Honey, you're doing well. Good job. Kushni, you'll get it. High five to you also. Yes, next question.
आपने आपके पेरेंट्स को कैसे कन्विंस किया ट्रैवल करने के लिए?
I still have not been able to convince them. To be honest, because I'm in a constant fight with them. The only reason I'm able to travel is because I'm literally constantly fighting with them. मतलब I still, even though I'm not working with GSK now, they still ask me, अभी फिर जा रही है, अभी क्या जरूरत है, घर पे रुक जा. Like I don't get it. I don't know. My parents have also not given up on me. ना कि ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ parents के साथ ये हमने छोड़ दिया, इसके तो पागल ही है. My parents, I don't know why my parents still have hope with me कि हाँ मैं सुधर जाऊँगी. It's not happening. It is not happening. The only way I'm able to convince them to let me travel is कि I keep fighting with them. I'm sorry, but it is the truth.
So the next question is, जैसे मेरा जो first solo travel था और उसमें भी I asked this question to I think couple of travelers. So I'm asking you also कि how do you not feel scared, you know, traveling solo? Because I feel scared at night when I'm in a hotel room alone. तो मुझे बस वही जानना है, how do you
see,
like?
Even in my own house, even if I'm in Dubai or if I'm in Delhi or if I'm in Manali, I still feel scared. मैं रात को ये वाली लाइट ऑन करके सोती हूँ and मैं साथ में ऑफिस चला के सोती हूँ. Just because मेरे को होता ना कि चल पीछे कुछ चल रहा है, फिर मैं सो जाती हूँ, मेरे को टेंशन नहीं होती. Honestly, I would say I'm still scared, and I think being a woman, I don't think you ever reach a point where you're not scared. I only not feel scared when I'm in Dubai because Dubai is a very safe city. Or maybe if I travel in Europe someday to a very safe country, I would feel कि अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे को नहीं डर लग रहा. I've never really done any solo traveling up until this trip to Manali, where I came and I decided to कि चलो मेरे को यहीं रहना है. Because I've always been a very scared person and never felt confident enough to solo travel कि हाँ भाई चलो मैं अकेली जा रही हूँ. कभी मेरे को नहीं हुआ ऐसा. You know, I gave myself the space कि चलो now you've traveled in Himachal a lot, now you know how things go, you know people and everything. So now I feel कि ठीक है चल मैं travel कर सकती हूँ अकेले. There's only a certain amount of things that you can know from online research. कि वो उस जगह जाके तुम्हें ज्यादा पता चलता है. You know कि जैसे especially when we're visiting a new country, online हम research करते हैं, कुछ पता होता है, then we know कि अच्छा this is one place, map पे हमें पता है, but वो पता नहीं चलता ना how the place is exactly. Like it's very like vague and it's very confusing. जैसे जब हम रशिया गए थे, we didn't know how Moscow was, we didn't know how St. Petersburg was, or we knew कि अच्छा ये जगह है, जाने की ये जगह है, but we had no idea. And I think that's the kind of, you only get to know that once you go to that place. So I think give yourself the space, and when you feel confident enough, just go for your solo trip.
And I think follow your instincts. I mean, if you're not feeling scared somewhere, just change the place.
Yeah, and in fact, you know, when you're going, make sure you send your live location or something, or your hotel bookings or everything to one person. It might be your boyfriend, your father, your brother, your sister, your mom, anyone, or your best friend. I still do that when I'm taking a cab or anything. मैं अनुनय को या फिर अपने किसी दोस्त को या फिर किसी को एक live location अपनी भेजूंगी कि you know what, this is where I am, and this is the number of the गाड़ी, this is the number of the driver, this is who the driver is. I still do that. So
By the way, this is my first solo
trip. Yeah, she's from Bombay, and I met her जब हम Bombay में हमने मीट अप किया था. There were three girls who came. एक ऑलरेडी वापस चली गई, she's from Hyderabad, and वो बॉम्बे की मीट अप में भी हैदराबाद से एक दिन in the morning she took a flight from Hyderabad, met us, and then she went back to Hyderabad. That was insane.
Shout out to Shehnaz.
Shehnaz, yeah man, hi if you're watching. I'm sure she's watching. This was her first time traveling alone.
यहाँ से मेरा start होने वाला है traveling.
From Bombay all the way come to Manali.
Just to meet her.
First trip पे इतना snowfall, first trip पे इतना बिल्कुल ही intense. Amazing.
पूछोगे next question
आप पूछ लो. बहुत फॉर्मल था.
Okay, ठीक है, हम काटेंगे.
हाँ, ये कट कर देंगे.
हम काटेंगे, मैं एडिट करूंगी, बट हम काटेंगे. Sure.
मेरा बहुत बिची लाफ भी कट कर देंगे.
मेरे पास भी एक और क्वेश्चन है again because I work full time. तो how do you manage? मतलब how do you used to manage your full-time job with travel, because you used to travel a lot?
2019 was the year when we went to 12 countries with a full-time job, and at the end of the year I still had 3 leaves left. It was very difficult, and उस time तो work from home भी नहीं था. So I know a lot of people are doing that now, which I love to see, and especially because I started this trend on social media कि तुम job के साथ भी travel कर सकते हो. I think this comes from your sheer will to travel. And that's what I had in the beginning, and when I moved to Dubai and I was looking for a job, मेरा एक ही वो था that I earn money because I want to travel. In Dubai I got 23 working days off. वो मतलब बिल्कुल ही ढंग से you know utilize किए थे. What we used to do was कि हम annual leaves को public leaves के साथ combine करते थे, and we used to go for a long holiday. And उस time जब हम ये vacation लेते थे, we used to make sure that we are exploring the maximum in the amount that we have, because ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम चल 1 महीना घूमने जा रहे हैं कुछ करें. So maximum we got was 12 days. वो भी जब ईद की छुट्टी थी या कुछ थी, हम बीच में 5 दिन छुट्टी ले ली और 2 weekend आ गए, तो 9 दिन तुम्हारे ऐसे ही हो गए. So like that's what we used to do. Every trip we used to take used to be so hectic, because फिर हम, for example, if I've taken a leave on the 2nd, we would leave first शाम को काम खत्म करके we would rush to the airport, take a flight, reach in the morning and start our trip from there only. हम rest कुछ नहीं करते थे, कुछ भी नहीं करते थे. And obviously those trips were not vacations, they were like whole new projects. हम काम करने जाते थे, हम content लेते थे, इधर उधर travel करते थे, कितना करते थे. And that was actually a very beneficial year for my account and for Ananya's account also, कि उस time हमारी सबसे ज़्यादा growth हुई थी 2019 में. You have to take your leave smartly, and then you have to choose what you want. So that year I gave up on spending time with my friends and family. I lost touch with a lot of friends. You know, I hardly went back home and spent any time with my family. तो उस year में मैंने सिर्फ travel prioritize किया था कि मेरे को सिर्फ घूमना है. And I think that's what I think living outside your country, I think that's something that you are able to do, because एक तो तुम्हें छुट्टियाँ अपने country वाले अपनी holidays की मिलती हैं, and secondly you're already away from your family. So I think वो थोड़ा इमोशनल क्वेश्चन थोड़ा और कम हो जाता है. आई फील प्लान योर हॉलीडेज इन अ वे दैट यू आर एक्सप्लोरिंग द मैक्सिमम. सो दैट्स हाउ यू मैनेज. एंड देन हम आते भी उस दिन वापस से जिस दिन 7 बजे हम सुबह लैंड किया और 9 बजे हमें ऑफिस पहुंचना होता था. एंड वी वर नॉट वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम देन. प्लान, प्रायोरिटाइज एंड बी स्मार्ट. या
कौन तो 1 मिनट पॉज करो. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि आप थकते नहीं हो लाइक इतना कंटेंट शूट करके
ट्रिप पे?
अभी जब इनफैक्ट हम श्रीलंका गए थे, then we went on the cruise, then we were in Bombay, so I think the whole thing was very tiring, because when I stop having my own routine, I think it gets very tiring. If I'm in Manali, if I'm at home and if I'm going to shoot and I'm still shooting, जैसे I'm still taking stories every day, I'm still making reels, I'm still going out to shoot sometimes, so then I feel like it's not tiring at all, because this is what I love to do, and that's why I left my job to do this full time. And I think when I am on like a job, जैसे जब हम cruise पे गए थे, so that was a job. You know, we're supposed to take content and stuff. And I feel like when I get tired, I just take a break, because I think that's the beauty of this job, that you know you're working for yourself, so you are your own boss. So you take a break when you want to take a break. And when we are working, so obviously we work hard enough to be able to take those breaks. I think that's enough for the Q&A session for this vlog. Let's see you guys in the morning tomorrow. These girls are leaving and I will be alone. So I know I don't want you guys to leave. It's been कितने दिन से हो यहाँ पे? तो
1 week almost.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yeah.
मेरे को पता भी नहीं चला. I mean, I love staying alone, but it's also nice to have new people around who, especially who are able to resonate with you.
हम लोगों ने साथ में मिलके खाना बनाया और बहुत मस्ती करी.
And this is what I was looking forward to doing, eating at home, cooking at home, because when you're traveling, I think these are some things that you don't get, especially अभी जब cruise पे थे, वो 6 दिन ऐसा वो शादी का खाना, like 1 day it's fine, 2 days it's fine, like 6 days it's not okay. Then I felt sick also. श्रीलंका में खाना बहुत अच्छा. Okay, anyway, now it's diverting. But anyway, I was really looking forward to this, कि मैं घर पे रहूँ, घर का खाना खाऊँ. I don't know if I want to end this vlog. If I want to end this vlog, I'll end this vlog tomorrow morning after making coffee, because I still don't know if I want to end this vlog. So I'm just going to see you guys in the morning.
Bye bye.
Welcome to a brand new day, and it is now, since I mentioned last night, now time to end the vlog, this beautiful vlog, and this time that I spent with these girls, which was absolutely amazing. It is time for them also to go, so I thought a vlog end करते हैं. अब मैं देखती हूँ आगे मैं क्या बनाऊंगी और अगर मेरे को मोटिवेशन भी मिलेगी कि नहीं. But Brinzami has got my back for sure. There are a couple of girls, including this one here, who make sure कि अच्छा आपने ये नहीं किया, आपने बहुत सारी रीला लोगे, कहाँ गई, vlog का है, ये क्या? They're like my parents. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and help your girl grow. We will see you in the next vlog.
जरूर like and share and subscribe नहीं किया ना तो ब्रिंज आर्मी पीछे पड़ने वाली है.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.